Hey guys, welcome to the Frost. My name is Tahir and I'm from India. Uh, I thought I could do a YouTube video. I was inspired by many YouTubers like MKBHD and Ryan Higa. The effort they just put into their videos, it's so inspirational, and I thought I could. I was excited to do a video, so I thought I could pursue my passion. My exams are just around the corner, and I'm wasting time. And maybe I'm not wasting time, but let's see. The first topic I want to talk about, the first video, is about a Rubik's Cube. I started playing around with the Rubik's Cube lately, and you know the complexity of the design, the complexity as well as the simplicity. It just boggles my mind. It's so simple in its design, yet it's so addictive and so complex and I just can't get the right words to describe it. One Rubik's Cube has around 43 quintillion different combinations. That, to be precise, it's 43 quintillion, 252 quadrillion, 3 trillion, 274 billion, 489,856,000 combinations. Wow, now that's something to say. I just googled it, and you would have too. So, uh, you know, but the this design is so simple, yet it has so many combinations, and it is utterly impossible to solve until the algorithms came into practice. And now these many combinations, and now speed cubers solve it under 5 seconds. Now that's something. Felix Zemdegs holds the record, 4.73 seconds. Okay, he relies on muscle memory and stuff, but uh, Erno Rubik, the guy who invented this, he must have been a genius, or maybe some spark or something, some fluke. I don't know, but this design is really genius. If we take about 20 Rubik's cubes and get the cumulative combinations, it would outnumber the total number of atoms in the observable universe. That lies around 10 power 82 to 10. About the lower limit is about 10 power 78. The upper limit is 10 power 82. Now, 20 Rubik's cubes would have more than a Google combinations. Now, I just can't even fathom that large a number. Okay, so let's solve it. I just memorized the algorithms lately, and it doesn't mean I'm solving it by my own, intelligence or something. I'm a dumbass. This Rubik's Cube is really rusty. It's not like a speed cube or something. Speed cubers solve it under 5 seconds. It takes me more than 5 seconds to solve you in one face. Okay. I guess they practice their entire lives for this. They do. I know I'm a little boring, but this video didn't have any preparations or any sort of it. When my exams are over and when my holidays begin, I'm sure I'll deliver some good content. And let's see if it works out. So even one of Google's supercomputers took more than 2 or 3 weeks to figure out all the combinations of the Rubik's cube. If we had to if we looked at one combination a second, it would take us almost more than 100 billion years to look at all the combinations of a Rubik's cube. And not to mention, this one is a 3 by 3. There are even 17 by 17 cubes. So just imagine how much combinations would a 17 by 17 have. Oh my god. It's just, it's just, it's unfathomable. I don't know any other word to describe that. Okay, we solved it. Solving it isn't big of a deal because we have algorithms to do so. We can just memorize the algorithms, and whatever be the combination, we can apply it and solve it. But this took more than 100 moves. According to Google, I'm not saying I googled it, I'm saying according to Google supercomputers, it would take only 20 moves. The maximum was 20. Most of the combinations would take just 19 moves to solve it. Maybe we should be a genius for that. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This was just no preparation, no script, nothing. I just wanted to upload something. I wanted to get started making some YouTube videos, and it's almost 3 a.m. in the morning. So okay. Expect some really quality content in the coming months. I wouldn't be uploading for another month because my exams are starting day after tomorrow, and I guess my school life is coming to an end. Okay, so subscribe if you have faith in me, and I would give you some good content. Or let's see. Peace out.